Wow, what have you got, Henry?
I got a boat.
This is Noah's Ark, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's it got on the side? There's a rainbow on there.
Yep. And there's the water.
And some water. Should we open it up and see what's inside?
Yeah.
Oh, look, the roof comes off. And the lid, wow!
So many animals.
So many animals, we'll stick them out. Wow!
Splat Kids TV. And there's Simba.
Is that Simba?
Yeah.
2 lions. Simba and Mufasa?
Yeah. This one
That's from the
is,
Lion King, isn't it?
Here's this.
Simba,
And here's this.
Mufasa. Let's look at all the animals we've got then. So we've got 2 giraffes. What can you tell me about the giraffes, Henry?
They're so big.
They're so big, they've got really long necks, haven't they?
Yeah,
And what colour are they?
they're orange.
Orange.
And they're leathery too.
And they've got spots on them, haven't they?
Yeah, and they're leathery.
They're yellow, aren't they?
Yeah, and they're orange too.
And what about these? What animal is this?
Tiger.
These are tigers, yeah.
Yeah, they're from the lions.
They're kind of like lions, aren't they? They're big cats and they've got stripes, haven't they?
Yeah, but lions are cats too.
Yeah, they're big cats, aren't they?
Yeah, they're big cats. Is this a lion?
That's a lion. That's a lazy lion because lady lions don't have manes, do they?
No.
So that's a lioness. Shall we see? And where's the man lion? Where's the other lion? Is he under there? Here we go.
Yeah.
So that's a girl lion called a lioness and a boy lion. Roar. Can you do a lion roar? What other animals do we know then?
We have.
What are these ones? Where's the other zebra gone? There he is, under your leg. What are these? What's this animal?
A zebra.
A zebra. What about the zebras then? What do we know about zebras?
If we think about they let's see.
What colour are they?
They're white.
White and black, aren't they?
Yeah. And
They've got good camouflage, haven't they?
yeah. And they can also disappear when they're camouflage.
That's right, yeah. And what sort of animals do zebras look like?
Giraffes.
They kind of look like giraffes, don't they? But I think they more look like horses, don't they?
Yeah, they look like horses.
They look like stripy horses.
Yeah.
So that's those ones. What else have we got? These are big, giant animals. What are these animals?
Elephants.
Elephants. And what do we know about elephants?
They like to eat water.
They like to drink water.
Yeah.
And what do they drink their water with? What are these big, long noses called?
Chrissy?
They're called trunks.
Yeah, trunks.
Can you remember?
Let's see. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we got any more animals left?
Yeah, crocodiles.
Wow, let's have a look at those then. Crocodiles. What do we know about crocodiles?
They like to drink water too.
Do they?
Yeah.
And how do we know that this is a crocodile?
Because they've got front noses and
They've got spiky noses, haven't they? And they've got big jaws with big teeth.
Yeah.
What do you think crocodiles do? Do they go snap, snap, snap?
Yeah, and then they drink water.
Do they?
Yeah, and then a rhinoceros comes.
Uh-huh.
A rhinoceros. We've not got any rhinoceros.
We haven't, have we? There isn't any rhinos in this playset, is there?
No.
There's lots of animals, but not a rhino. What's this one? Where's the other one to this? Have we lost one?
Yeah.
It says, oh no, he's under your bottom. There he is. So these are, what are they?
They're pretty.
They're birds.
Yeah.
They're doves, aren't they?
Yeah.
So wow, look at all of those animals. And then we've got a lady and a man. Now let's see if we can make our boat back together. That's it, on the roof. Oh, we've got a ladder too.
Yeah.
That's really good because that means that the animals can climb up the ladder, can't they, to get into the boat?
No.
So let's put the roof on first.
Yeah. Crab.
That's a giraffe, yeah.
Help me put these on.
Of course I can. Right, so pop that one on and then pop the other one on. That's it. Wow, cool boat, boys.
Then I'm going to get the animals stand up.
Wow. Look, the crocodile's going onto the boat. He's going to stand on the roof. He likes it on the roof, doesn't he?
Yeah.
But oh, it's a bit wobbly up there. What if he falls down? Uh-oh! Now the zebra... Oh! What's going to go on there now? Now the man's on there. Oh! Oh! Everyone's falling down. This is too silly. They're all falling in the water. Oh! There's lots of animals in the water now, not many on the boat. I know. Let's open up the side door on the boat so the animals can get to safety. Let's put the animals inside.
Maybe there's going to be so much animals in there.
Yeah, do you think they'll all fit in there?
We're going to go to...
Ooh, what noise do boats make? Hello?
And this one.
Go get them. Let's put the animals back in the boat and then push it around the floor a bit.